What are you doing, Martin?
See if we can suction a dent out. See if it works.
Yeah. Don't make it worse.
I know. And I'm touching Gary's freaking.
Like all the stuff you touched today, that's the thing you're most worried about? Whoa, it almost worked.
So we got to be over here more.
Yeah, Tommy's right. Get it clean, man.
Somebody hit on the high spots around where the kinks are.
Okay, here we go. Here we go.
Okay. Oh!
Ceiling on this side.
Yeah.
Now it is.
There you go. Now you got a good suction. Oh, that was close.
Be careful with that water coming in.
Poo spray. Poo spray.
Poo spray. Oh, there you go. You got to get clean. There we go.
Piece of glass out of here.
Oh, yeah.
Flying into someone's eye.
This is some complete jackassery right here.
It's like my dad moment. That could go in your eye.
It's complete jackassery until it works.
Yeah, I know. Oh, did you see how close it was?
See, it's too. I think it's too stiff.
Oh, yeah, that's what she said.
Nope.
If you could get a good suction on it.
You got to get to a.
See, I'm not.
You didn't get a good suction there.
Well, here's one.
Are you opposed to just like giving it a little tweak from inside?
Well,
Yeah,
no, there's.
because I tried touching it, and you're probably that far till you hit the roof.
Oh, look, here's the water entrance.
Yep.
Wow. Oh. Here's your antics. As Martin goes,
there.
Martin, he's either
get
gonna
skill
fall over completely back or that thing's gonna go right through his eye. Oh, Tommy's got it. Ooh. Did you see
Here,
it?
do that. Yeah. We need it.
Oh.
You don't see like two of them.
You got to get this kink.
That ridge. Oh, it's on there good.
Ready?
Who knew my plunger was so close? I will hark thing.
Almost flew it away. Yeah, look back. Look at the back seat upper. Rolled it completely. And that's all.
Well, it's been sitting out for.
How'd the water get back there? It must have just come through the. It must have just been
That
through here.
seal's gone.
Here and then like right here.
Yeah, it ran down. So that's
ran
probably.
down and then like just
But
puddled right there.
It's not horrible.
It's got a lovely patina.
Yeah, nice headliner.
And that'll bump
Does,
the
doesn't
dent
it?
out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You what? That'll bump the dent out.
That's original color too, isn't it?
It looks like it.
Look at the.
Where's the you were talking about? Oh, there's a roller.
Yeah. Look here.
Nice one.
Holy smokes.
See, no curling in here.
God, that ain't
But look
even
here.
hit.
It's been tapped in the nose a little bit.
Wow. Carl, what'd you find?
Title. Shoved under the seat.
Kind of peeling.
Glued to an envelope because it's been wet for so long.
You know what that is? That's $1,000 bill. All day long.
All day long?
All day long. That's $1,000 bill.
I'm guessing you'll have to get it reissued. But it does have
Good
a car
grief.
number.
Yeah, look at that. All right, that goes into that tub.
Get some nice champions.
N9Ys. New brake parts. That's
You know,
These are heaters.
this is the best part. It's like Christmas
It is.
with your friends.
you know what? So this is these are presents that you want. Not a, you don't get a, not getting a new tie. Look at some of the. You know what the best part is? Some of this stuff is like really NOS. Look at that TRW box.
It's all
brake springs.
TRW hadn't had a box like that since I was sawing all apart.
These are the good ones.
Bauer, yeah, that's the real deal.
Those are the good ones.
Yeah, what do you got, Martin?
I'm about to shred the box to get it
Don't
out.
shred the box or
Man,
keep the
there's a
part.
lot of use my labor. Okay. Trash. Rusty brake springs.
Yeah, rusty brakes.
Stink.
Trash.
Oh,
It's trash, but it got wet. But it's an old sleeve in for the.
yeah, oh, that's too bad. That's bearings. Hey, Tommy B. Here you go.
That's bearing.
That goes in your.
So we need a stash for Tommy B. Some bearings.
I've never seen that before.
Those are back clips for the.
Your Ford
That'll
something.
sell.
I don't know.
Oh, maybe these will fit on a high hoe.
Will that sell?
Maybe, yeah. Hey, it's NOS parts, man. AC Delco.
Front
Oh, that's
urethanes.
nice. Split bus parts. That's one over there somewhere.
Another one. Questionable.
There. Yeah. This is the brake department. Oh, okay. Those need to go into there.
These
So-
are.
Okay.
Now
How about that one?
This is more of that same Ford
What
stuff.
It doesn't look too bad, does it?
No, that's good.
That's a J.
Martin. Ladies and gentlemen, Carl has been all day long has been. You could tell that
Just
there was
shunned.
Shunned. There was like a tiny tear in the corner of his eye.
Yep.
There's no Type 3 stuff, and yet Martin,
He gets a tie rod in.
he gets a tie.
One.
One tie rod in. Congratulations,
Hopefully the other one's in
Carl.
there. Wait,
Your
is
whole
it-
Saturday
hold it,
for
wait.
one tie rod in.
Is this the other one?
Oh, it is.
Oh, it's a pair. Oh, nice. See? Yeah. There's no number. Oh, alternator. Yeah.
Yeah, super nice.
the vent radiator.
Look at that. Universal
For your
alternator.
safety.
Chrome alternator arm. CP Auto Products. That's oil pressure booster kit. Well, hello, VW Lifers. Day 2, part 2 of VW recovery. So, when you last left your heroes, they were pulling out of this joint with a couple of Volkswagens, and today we're coming back to get 2 more Volkswagens. This beautiful 64,
Well, small window.
small window.
Well, it's a 3-tab hood.
That's why I'm thinking it's a 64.
Uh,
No tab, no
so it's our
emblem.
early 64.
Yeah.
That's still a little window.
Yeah.
Because in like, didn't a mid-year
Yeah.
split went to a big
Or it
window?
could be a late 63 like Kennedy.
Well, yeah, because
Kennedy doesn't have the emblem
jump
either.
bucket. I think the 3-color badge went away.
Yeah,
in
like 62, 61.
No, it went away like in March or something of 63.
Yeah.
So there are some early 63s
That
that
have
have
a
the
colored badge?
The 3-color badge, not the 7-color badge.
See, there you go. Some wisdom from Tommy B.
Oh, it's not wisdom.
Look at this.
Regurgitated.
Hello, sir. That is the right fender welting in there, too.
Yeah, you can tell. Got painted on one day.
What color was this bad boy?
Fjord blue.
Fjord blue.
Maybe.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm thinking 64. Or late 63,
Yeah.
early 64.
Guys, it's a 48.
Oh, yeah, they messed up the split. It's a 48. There it is right there.
48.
48. Whoa! It rolls. That's good. Won't even need the winch. Hey, you know what? Get Martin's plunger. That's done.
The poo plunger
Poo
4000.
plunger. And then, well, we'll say that one for next. The Gia. We don't know what year that thing is.
Do you want to back up?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Yeah.
Oh, so you just go straight on?
Yeah, straight on. Straight on for you. You've been sitting down there on the corner. Oh, you got Liz with you. You ain't gonna get nothing done now.
It's not. I can see it.
Hey. Oh, damn, no tire.
Fix it.
Fixed.
Look at that. So, once upon a time, found an old Volkswagen, no title. Open up the tool pouch, title was sitting in it. Good times. No titles this time though.
Yeah. Always look. Found a towel the other day underneath the seat. All right.
We're good though. We can go forward.
Oh, you got, no, there's a brick underneath.
We got it. No, I got it.
No, I got the one.
Are we on?
There they are. We're good.
Martin will steer. We're
Good. You going? Mush.
Oh. Brake locked
Stop.
up a little bit. Luckily we were on the wood sled over here. This tire just slid.
Oh, it did?
Yeah.
Oh, y'all got it? Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna roll anywhere, but we'll get it.
A little sneaky.
that tow bar is super long. Yeah, it's your spar.
What's up? What's that in there now? Just hard to see. Okay, hold up. Come on.
Wow, look at that tab. All Gias have that toe tab.
What's that? What toe tab?
Right there on the side. See that?
This?
Yeah. Not on the other side.
Yeah.
Really?
Is that gonna be in the way?
It's gonna be close.
Let's kick the glass out of there quick.
That's what this cardboard for. So you can lay on it.
Well, I can't use it when you're standing on it.
I'm trying to get out of the seat. Roll. Oh shit.
What?
I put this through the steering wheel. That's pretty funny.
It's not gonna film.
Straight. This one. Hold up, hold up, hold up.
It doesn't turn much.
Fancy big clothes.
Thanks, brother.
What the devil?
Well, congratulations, gentlemen.
Yeah. 2 more junk cars.
I thought we weren't doing this anymore.
No, and somebody else has got to go get another Gia today.
Yeah, I blame Martin.
Yeah, Martin's the Gia guru.
I don't want no more cars. I
Too
don't.
late. This is going to Egger.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's gonna look good over there on that pad.
Yeah.
This is going to Liberty Hill.
It does match the
Mr.
bus.
James.
James wants a Gia.
He didn't even know he wanted
He
it.
doesn't. until he gets one. Sorry, James.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, 1 week later. We have done clearing out this place pretty much. There's motors here that we haven't yet to negotiate. We got 4 cars and some parts, a little bit of parts, maybe a couple.
Couple of cars. We sorted for 2 hours last night, and we got to maybe
Yeah,
No,
a quarter of it.
4, but I think that's more of a condensation.
I told Jake, yeah, we
just went
sorted, and I'm looking at him like, I can't, we didn't know.
Well, we cleared out a tub that went into parts that you had to sort.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So, anyway, but these things were going to the crusher.
Yeah, hopefully they won't from here on out.
Yeah.
We're gonna move them over to a new home, and maybe they'll live another life.
That's the hope. I really like that 64.
Yeah, I hated it earlier. I was like,
Yeah.
oh, it's such a waste of time. But
No, I like
now
it.
that we have it rolling, it's not bad. It's pretty awesome.
It looks good. That looked really good at Mark's house. What gets done first, that or Martin's field?
That?
Neither.
Neither.
Martin's in a wheelchair, old, with a cane. I'm gonna get to it one day.
His beard's getting stuck in the wheel.
Yeah.
Brand Winkle.
Liz, I did it again.
I hate y'all so much.
The
All right.
poor bearded one.
Well, y'all got some driving to do. So.
He takes a lot of. He takes a lot.
I do.
Hey, we want to say check us out on All Metric Garage.
I'm not wearing
Oh,
one.
you were on that
No,
last
I wore
night.
last
So you can get all kinds of VW Life swag there, and so check us out at All Metric Garage. There's all kinds of goodies there. Make sure you tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VW Life. We love you guys. Thanks for sticking with us, man. This is what it's all about.
Saving Volkswagens.
Volkswagen that time.